So many people in the company have heard of the program Unify. It was launched to basically have one way to manage all of the networks group's products. Today we just call that program 5620 SAM, and it's a really ambitious program that takes a global team to deliver. We're working on features for the IP group, for the wireless group, and for the optics group. And to do that, it really stretched us to add talent to the team that knew these other domains. 5620 SAM for years was working in the IP domain, so we have a lot of skills that are very IP savvy. What we had to do, for example, in France, is add people who had wireless domain experience. In Bangalore, India, right now, the team is working in optics. So we found a number of people who had a good optics background. So adding those people to the team were key to being able to deliver this ambitious program. This year, the R&D team's done a great job delivering. So far, they've brought to market support for the 9500 microwave product, which is really key for us because our customers don't want to buy a management system for each one of our individual products. In the case of the 9500, we sell that as part of a backhaul solution. So the 5620 SAM manages both the microwave and the IP products in our backhaul solution, which is great. The other area the team's delivered is LTE. So this year, we actually have support for eNode B, wireless access. And with one product, we can manage all the way from wireless access through the backhaul to the EPC. This is important for customers like AT&T. AT&T was one of the reasons why we started doing Project Unify. They had very negative feedback on Alcatel-Lucent's solution because we had so many different network management products. I was just recently in Seattle where I was talking to the people who are testing the 5620 SAM managing their network, and the feedback was extremely positive. With customers like AT&T, and now we're starting to support Verizon for their LTE using 5620 SAM, it really is a great start to SAM managing the wireless business. So now the expectations for the team are really high, and the R&D team has to deliver. Two new programs that we're going to have to deliver in 2011 are the Femto program and the optics program for WDM. On the Femto side, it's a growing business, and it's really going to challenge the R&D team to be able to support deployments of Femto cells because it is a different type of network than the 5620 SAM has ever supported. The same thing is true for optics. Optics is a challenge because the operations teams who are managing optics networks expect a network manager that can give them a view of the entire network. And for the 5620 SAM, it's never done WDM and it's never done OTN. So it is really a good challenge for the team to have to deliver. The last thing that the team is really going to be challenged for is supporting all these different products across networks. They need to scale 5620 SAM. They need to scale the number of deliveries we can do, and they need to scale on how much the product can support in the network. 2011 is the year of delivery, and I'm confident the team can do it.